What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Acura NSX. Now I finally got my wheels in. It took about a year, a little bit less than a year, but when I first bought this car I was like, I gotta get some wheels on this. I love it, I want to be a little bit different, but the OEM interwoven design wheels really just, I don't know, they just suit the car really well. Let me show you how it kind of looks. It is a double staggered setup, so the fronts are either 9 or 9.5, and the rears are much wider. I know the tires are 305s in the rear and 245s in the front. And yeah, I just like the way it looks. It just looks right. It just suits the car very well. I have no complaints. Carbon ceramic brakes, so there's never you don't have to clean them because there is like no iron or dust from the steel brakes. But I did get some wheels for this, so let me show you. Rays, Volks Racing T37s, Ultra M Spec 20x11s for the rears, and 19.5, 36 offset. Got that authenticity. I get 32 offset here. And yeah, let me just show you how it looks like with the wheel right next to it. Woo. Gently place it. So yeah, these are the T37 Ultras. The Ultras were basically made because the high horsepower levels were getting too high on the GTR, and of course the NSX is also in that high horsepower range for the JDM wheels. You have these etch, man, this etch is so nice. Rays Engineering, made in Japan. Ooh. Double knurling, amazing. So these are nice and strong because again, this is meant for a high horsepower application. You got all your authentic, you know, this is authentic. Don't mess with reps here. Don't be one of those people who take it till they make it. Boom. Woo! So yeah, there you go. These are the T37s. Now I'm actually, so by the time I actually got these wheels, I was already like right before, about like 3, 4, 5 months in. I'm like, OEM wheels are nice. I actually like the OEM wheels. These are nice too if I want to go to a car meet and like stand out. But I just really love the OEM look. So by the time I got these, I kind of fell out of love with. I got the Advan GTs on the Integra Type S, and I'm just like, okay, these are, I love the Advans. They suit the car. The NSX, maybe just OEM plus look, looks great. So yeah, I actually posted these for sale as soon as I got them, and I got a buyer because no one wants to wait like a year. Then who knows if you have your car, the NSX for a year. Not a lot of people move through, like a lot of car guys move through cars pretty fast. Not saying that I'm gonna sell the NSX, but eventually it will come to that time, and it's just easier with the OEM wheels. But yeah, there you go. These were my favorite JDM wheel, and I'm already looking to part ways with it. I've always wanted T37s. Actually, my girlfriend got, my wife now, got T37s before me on her BRZ, and I was like, wow, that's dope. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I just want to do a quick video on me getting T37s Ultras, and then me just saying, hey, it's okay for me to sell it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.